Hey guys, so here's a tutorial on how to create a banner for your ads on your Powerline Push account or AAC account. So these both are traffic websites, okay, wherein you can post your ads, and from all the people who are visiting these websites, they are all our prospects. Okay, so we don't need to talk one-on-one, but this is very easy by just posting your ads. I am a member of Powerline Push as well as AAC. Okay, so I can maximize to post all of my side hustles in these projects, so I don't have to beg for sign-ups anymore. This is really a big help for me. So this time I want to introduce to you guys this very powerful project. Okay, I just joined yesterday, and with just 3 referrals I got my 52.25 earnings already. And guess what? The minimum purchase amount for this project is just $5. It's a no-brainer, guys. So again, it's not a membership website. It's not a any company that you have subscription or any other payment to get in. But this one here, our $5 is basically our payment for the ads. Okay, so when we join for just $5, we can have the opportunity to post any of our projects that we are promoting. So how are you going to do that? So first of all, guys, let me show you your first step after joining Powerline Push. Okay, make sure you do this. All right, so after registering your account, you can activate your account for just $5, and you can also buy all of the levels, which will cost you only $58 one time, and you have the advantage of the matrix already, because you can now focus on building your network together with your sponsor. Okay, again, this is about teamwork, and everyone will like this opportunity because it's very affordable compared to any other platforms out there. Like in my AAC, I invested 320 US dollars for my accounts here, and yeah, I don't receive any earnings yet, but the good news is I am getting sign-ups from my other projects. So that's the great news, guys. And yeah, since I positioned my account here, I will definitely earn sooner or later. Okay, so let's go back onto my Powerline Push. So here's the first thing you need to do, guys. Make sure after registering your account and activating your account, go ahead onto Super 5 Builder. Right, click this, and then this will show up. Okay, so this is the theme builder. Make sure that you put your username in this. Okay, put your name there and click submit. That's all. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. And then the next thing you want to do is to join their Telegram channel. Okay, you need to join their Telegram channel. All right, you can see I got my earnings again on this automated bot of Powerline Push. So this is one great thing that will inspire our team or your downlines as well. So yeah, I'm really loving this project. So guys, that's how you do it. And then once you become a member, or once you bought your first position, which is $5, then you can have your ad credits. Okay, so ad credits is for your ads. Okay, and with that ad credits, you can promote any of your business. So if you want to maximize your earning potential, or yeah, to promote your business, you should be also part of AAC. Okay, AAC is bigger than powerlinepush.com because big affiliate marketers are on this AAC. Okay, and on Powerline Push, yeah, it's a very simple, but this has a huge potential as well. Okay, in my opinion, it's unseen potential, and we are so lucky that we saw this opportunity, and we're the one who will share this to the world and let people know about the greatness of this project as well. Okay, now you can post your ads here through this text ad advertisement or banner advertisement. These are the text ads, guys. Okay, you can post your ads here by editing on this panel. Okay, if you want to post your banner here, okay, I will create that, guys, for you to see how you do it. So I am doing one project which is it's an HYIP. So how are we going to create a banners like this? All right, so let's go on to banner advertisement, and then here we go. So banner URL, we need another website which is called imgur.com. okay, since I have my imgur.com, I have the gift ads on here. So okay, let me open my HYIP that I've joined, okay, so that I can show you on how we can promote this. Right, so there you go. Yeah, I have $7 already. I've invested $55 on here, and guess what, I can withdraw this right away. So yeah, I'm on this project, and now let us go ahead and get the promotion tools right here. So I think I'll be needing this one. Okay, so the size of this banner is 468 by 60. Okay, 728 by 90. So let's check out the size of the banner on here. So it should be hold on. Okay, there are no size limitation, I think, because there's no. Make sure the banner shows correctly before approving. Okay, so there's no size limits. Let's go back here. Hold on, where is it? Okay, so I'll just grab this one. Okay, save this. Instead of copying this, guys, just save the image. Okay, and you'll see this is a GIF image, so that's enough. Okay, I will just replace the name to, what do you call this, anonymous cash. Okay, so that I know this ads, right? And this one is a GIF. Okay, I think I have already saved this, so let's just replace the name by that. So it's here now on my documents. Now let's go ahead and get this, transfer that to Imgur. So this is the Imgur. Okay, go there, and guys, just create your account. It's free, by the way. Imgur.com, you need that to get the banner URL. So here on downloads, so I have here, just get this, just grab this and drag into Imgur, and he will capture it. So that's it. Now go on to images. Hold on a second. Okay, now go on to your username at the top, and then click on images, and you will see this one here. Okay, so just click on that, and there you go. You just need to click on or to copy this original GIF link. Okay, just copy that and go back onto your, yeah, we need the banner URL. So all I have to do is to paste it here. All right, and then website URL will be your referral link. Okay, let's go back here and grab the referral link. There you go. So go onto the dashboard and click on your referral link here. Okay, copy that and go back to your Powerline. So just delete this and paste it. So this time I will replace this onto my username. This is my second account. So that's all, guys. That's how you do it. And then assign credits. I have 13,225 credits, so I will just use like 100. Okay, 100 credits, and then preview. All right, so you can see the preview of this banner here, and then okay, it's all good, guys. Well, once you confirm that it's showing correctly, just click on the add button right here, and they will approve this. All right, so the admin will approve this banner, and then once it's approved, okay, it will display here. And when people visit Powerline Push through other people, okay, they are browsing this site, and then when they saw that ads, if they click on that and sign up, then boom, we have a referral. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. It's as simple as that. You can place your ad on this platform, okay, and soon many people will visit this website, and yeah, you can maximize your ad credits, redeem your ad credits here, because we already paid for it through our upgradation on from $5 up to level 5. If you upgrade to level 5, then we have a lot of credits. Like on my case, I have a lot here, so you can use that to post your other projects in this platform. That's all I have for you today, guys, with Powerline Push. Just please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell icon there, so that you won't miss any of my videos and tutorials with regards to these projects. Okay, so again, please help my channel grow, guys. Please consider thumbs up, consider liking this video, and comment your thoughts, and I will make sure to respond to you as soon as I can. Okay, thank you so much again. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye bye.